Om Namah Shivaya. Namaste. Welcome to my favorite part. This is the meditation practice. In the background, I have a beautiful chant playing, and I know you cannot see this because I've already checked it out, but yet I'm going to shine it here for you. The chant is Aram Ma Da Sa Sa Se So Hum. So I'm going to park it right there, and I'm hoping that you're able to see that, and I'll use my Tibetan famous bowl to hold that there. And the reason for this meditation practice today is because we are globally moving through some major transitions of what is no longer, and the unknown is scaring a lot of people that are not right, this is an observation, not grounded. And I understand. So I'm going to invite all of you right now to come and sit as comfortably as you can on your mat. And I'd like to do this practice with you of meditation, chanting this chant as you feel the urgencies to, if you wish to chant it. Oh, was that a bit too shiny, I guess, isn't it? So thank you. And thank you so much for your subscription here at teresagagno.com. And let us get started. So your seated position is how you choose to sit yourself, whether it be cross-legged on your favorite bolster or your meditation cushion or in a chair. A chair is awesome as well. Make sure your feet are slightly elevated so your knees are higher than your hip bones, because there are perimeters around just finding a space that is comfortable when you're seated to meditate. You can always meditate while walking through the forest, and meditate while you're doing the dishes. But today's meditation is us globally here right now. And I'm going to address something really important. The fact that moving forward in the ascension of the spiritual warrior of consciousness is to be conscious of your thoughts. And I'll be honest, I was quite jealous. That really came up for me because the background noise of jealousy is the common denominator of fear of not being enough. So if I feel like I'm not enough, then anyone who I could be inspired by or am inspired by, instead of building them up and being, excited for them, I get a jealousy feeling of why not me, pity party, and how come I can't be recognized, and why can't I be like that, or they don't acknowledge me. It's just a whole big, unfortunate, dark wormhole of negativity. So this meditation practice is a dedication to healing and addressing and being aware of what are your truths. What is it that you really are, feeling on a regular basis that brings you down into the darkness? And then to shine that light into the darkness is this practice of meditation. It's an awareness of addressing what it is, that stickiness, that struggle, that fear that you're holding on to. And my biggest fear is abandonment, of unworthiness. And so when I am inspired, I'm the first person to always say to someone, oh my God, you're gorgeous, that was awesome, that's beautiful. But on a bad day, I'm the one that is looking inside my heart going, they're not as good as me. How come I don't get recognized like them? And how come, or I feel so sad for myself that I'm not good enough and ever going to be good enough. And it's a big cycle of unfortunate. So what is it that you are struggling with? Let us bring it into the open. And for this meditation, let us be together. Let us celebrate ourselves first, self-loving ourselves. I'm going to hold the Teresa that feels like she's not enough, the Teresa that feels like she is abandoned or is always abandoned. I'm going to hold her with unconditional love during this chant, during this meditation. And I invite you to join in as well and hold yourself with such unconditional love. So let us do this. Closing your eyes is a beautiful option. If you're a person that prefers to light a candle, please light a candle directly in front of your drishte, or you can drishte. But closing your eyes is such a great way to go inside the pineal gland to the third eye, sixth chakra. So when you close your eyes, you look at that space and you will see it's like an absolute vortex of unknown, which we're all in. And it's the place where we can connect to source. And if you do choose to close your eyes, you'll feel a deeper frequency, perhaps, maybe not, I'm not sure, when you chant. the ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Placing your hands in any mudra that you feel comfortable to place your hands in, whether it be a simple placement of palms up for daytime or palms down for evening, a chin mudra, a dhyana mudra. You choose what you feel is most optimal for you in this presence of your meditation. Let's all begin with a big, beautiful breath in, and then let it go. Start to see what it is that you are partaking in, practicing. I'm holding myself with unconditional love. That Teresa that is jealous and fear. Sa, se, so, hum. Exhale, let that breath go. Ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Ramada 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 sa, se, so, hum. Letting it go. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Exhale, let it go. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Let it go, let it go. No judgments, just observe. Exhale. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Exhale, let yourself be free. It's okay, we all are here together. Yet, it is your individual work that is being asked of. Ramada sa, se, so, hum. Let it out. Ramada sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Madasa sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Just let it flow. It's not right or wrong. When your ego is criticizing, just remind yourself that's ego. Let it go. You are in control of your well-being. You are in control. You are the creator, the decider, and the leader. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Madasa sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Madasa sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Let it go, everybody. Just let it be. Whatever judgments you place upon yourself, you place them in the world. Let them be. Surround yourself with love. Unconditional loving yourself and all the negatives that you are, all those parts of yourself that are dark in the darkness. I support and love the Teresa that is in fear of abandonment. I love and hold her with unconditional love. I love and support and hold the Teresa that is angered by others. Ramada sa se so sung. You've got it. Let it be. Even if you mess it up like I just did, just let it be. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Let it be. It's okay. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Come on, let it out. It's okay. Ramadasa sa se so hum. Madasa sa se so hum. Start to open up your arms and say yes. Wave them around in ways that express your throat chakra. Feel it. Allow it to be. Let it be fluid. Let it be. No right or wrong, it just is. We're all here together. Imagine being vulnerable and exposed in the most beautiful way. Let's do this chant together. Ramadasa sa sa se sohang. I did it again, but that's okay. Let's do it again. Join me, Starla.
No.
Come on, let's do it.
No.
Ramadasa sa se sohang. Starla's in the background listening and singing it too.
No, I'm not.
Let's do it one more time.
I am not singing.
Okay? Ramadasa sa se sohang. From my light to your light, may we be vulnerable, be open, and absolutely loving unconditionally to ourselves and to everyone. Ramadasa sa se sohang. Namaste. From my light to your light, let us continue to chant this throughout this whole journey